Have you ever dreamed of achieving a big goal? Maybe it's starting your own business, running a marathon, or writing a book. Whatever it is, the journey to success can seem daunting. But the truth is, success is not achieved overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take small steps towards your goal. The first step towards achieving your big goal is to set a clear and specific goal. Write down exactly what you want to achieve and by when. This will give you a clear roadmap to follow and help you stay focused on your goal. The next step is to break down your big goal into smaller, more manageable steps. If your goal is to run a marathon, start by running a mile. Then gradually increase your distance until you reach your goal. Taking small steps towards your goal will help you build momentum and keep you motivated. Another important step is to stay organized and track your progress. Use a planner or calendar to keep track of your daily tasks and progress towards your goal. Celebrate small victories along the way, like completing a task or hitting a milestone. This will help keep you motivated and focused on your goal. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek out help and support. Whether it's a mentor, coach, or accountability partner, having someone to encourage and guide you can make all the difference. Surround yourself with positive people who believe in you and your goal. Remember, achieving a big goal takes time and effort, but with a clear plan and small steps, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So take that first step today and start working toward your big goal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more motivational content.